Before you begin, remove the two rubber feet, the base enclosure, and the battery. Removal. Note, the left front speaker connector is disconnected from the system board during the battery removal procedure. Remove the three P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left front speaker to the top cover. Grasp the left front speaker at the front edge, and then lift up and away to remove it. Replacement. Place the left front speaker onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left front speaker to the top cover. Note, the left front speaker connector is reconnected to the system board during the battery replacement procedure.